Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to do an electron configuration using this nifty periodic table that your teachers in chemistry gave you. So I'm going to start with a random element. I'm going to choose phosphorus. And what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you pretend that you have a friend that lives right here as atomic number 15 and you're trying to go visit your buddy. So instead of holding this here the whole time, I'm going to go ahead and put him to the side and we will do the electron configuration for the element phosphorus. So I will go ahead and write phosphorus right here. Okay. Now, every electron configuration you do will start with the lowest energy level first. That was Aufbau's principle, that the lowest energy level must fill first. So you might consider hydrogen as being your home or your starting point, where you will start your journey. So the lowest energy level is called 1, sublevel is S, and there are 2 electrons in this sublevel. So you'll hear me throughout this video call these the houses and the streets because I'm trying to demonstrate that using the electron configuration periodic table is simply a map. So we will start our journey in the lowest energy level, 1, and we will travel through the energy level. So the first energy level is only 1 sublevel S, which of course we said there were 2 houses, so that would be 2 electrons on 1 orbit. So the lowest energy level is called 1s2. You'll notice there's nothing else that has a 1. That's the only sublevel in the first energy level. Just like the Bohr model could only fit 2 electrons in its first ring. Then we journey to the next energy level, which is called the second energy level. You'll notice it also starts with an S, and there will be 2 houses. Again, because an S sublevel only has 1 orbit that can hold 2 electrons. So we're going to move him right here, and we're going to record that we're in the second energy level, the S sublevel, and that we've moved through 2 electrons in that sublevel. But you'll notice here there is more to the P region, to the second energy level, which is the P sublevel. So we will have to finish this street before we can travel to the third street. So basically, we are now at 2p, and there are 3 orbitals that can fit 6 electrons. So since we're trying to finish this street, we're just going to go ahead and record 2p6. Okay. We're finished with all of the 2's, so then we will travel to the next energy level, which will be called the 3. And of course, it's going to start with an S, and we will drive through those 2 houses, and we will call that 3s2. Now, some people will notice right away that there is a D, 3D, but we never want to travel outside of our path. So basically, we're going to learn that the 3s and the 3p will fill, as well as the 4s, before the 3d will get any electrons. So just staying on this road, staying on this path, you can see that in the third period, our next part of our journey will just be 3, energy level 3, sublevel P, and then we will have 1, 2, 3, it's the third house on that street, so we will just call it 3p3. That is the electron configuration for phosphorus. And join me later on for more videos on electron configuration.